2025 Nissan Kicks cabin air filter is located right here on the passenger side behind this panel right here. This panel just pulls off. It's got some clips right here, right here, right here, and right here. One right here and one right here. You stick your hand up in here or pulling it this way. You can see some of these clips right here. All right. This clip actually stayed. Back over here. Someone's probably been up in here because this is a service area. But here's the door for the cabin filter right here. I'm gonna push this tab up, and you need to pull this door off. It is very close quarters down here. I need help to have two hands, but you can do it without one. Yeah, pull this off. I'm just gonna pull this out of the way. And then back in here is the cabin filter. Now you have to, it's actually kind of crammed in here pretty good. Just gonna have to pull it out. Okay. I'm not gonna pull it out all the way because it's really hard to put it back in with one hand, okay? But pull it out, just like that. Put the new one in. All right, if you need a filter, I have a link in the description box. You can Amazon. Clip that door back on, put this panel back on, and you're all done.